Okay, in this video we will go over the definition of derivatives, which will involve limits. And so this right here is kind of the formal equation, and we will solve an actual problem, which will make more sense. And so this is a problem that we will solve. We want to calculate the derivative of this function using the definition of derivative. So this is the form we saw earlier, right? And we want to calculate the derivative of the function here using the definition of derivative. So what I'm going to do is whenever I see an x, initially I replace it with x plus h because of this piece right here. And so this was already squared, so I keep the squared. I'm just replacing x with x plus h. Replacing x with x plus h, and this doesn't have an x, so it stays the same, so plus 5. Minus f of x, so minus the original piece. So minus the original piece divided by h, So now I can expand out, so I have x plus h squared, so x plus h, and this becomes x squared plus 2hx plus h squared, because x times x is x squared, x times h is hx, h times x is hx, so you have 2hx, and then h times h is h squared. And so now we can expand, so 3 times this piece here, we get 3x squared plus 6hx plus 3h squared, plus 4x plus 4h plus 5 minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 5. And so now we cancel like terms, so 3x squared cancels with negative 3x squared, 4x cancels with 4x, 5 cancels with negative 5. And so this is what we get. And if you notice the numerator, they each have an h. And so we can cancel this h. And we would get 6x plus 3h plus 4. And the limit is h approaches 0. So this right here is also 0. And so the derivative for that function is going to be 6x plus 4. And that's all we need to do for this type of problem.